Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Patke and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to do a preview of the second group match of Team India, which is going to take place at the Sydney Cricket Grounds versus the Netherlands. Now, this is a mixed match of epic proportions. Team India's confidence is high after a magnificent win against Pakistan, a last ball thriller which will go down as the greatest T20 international or perhaps the greatest T20 game of all time. But coming into this game, actually there is a 24% chance according to the weather department in Sydney that it will rain. So it is essential for Team India to show more intent, more purpose, and their batting needs to come out all guns blazing right from the start, because in case if there is a rain, we don't want such a scenario which happened unfortunately with South Africa, that they were the better team versus Zimbabwe. They were miles ahead, but just due to a technicality that the 2 overs didn't take place, and actually the 5 overs of the South African innings couldn't be completed. So the game unfortunately ended in a draw. There were some shady tactics by Zimbabwe as well, but that is part and parcel of the game. And if South Africa were in Zimbabwe's shoes, I am sure they would have done exactly the same thing. So we don't want such a scenario, and the net run rate can be improved. With all due respect to the Netherlands, they have played magnificently well in the qualifiers. Hence, they are in the Super 12, so we cannot underestimate them. But yes, this is an adequate or nice opportunity for Team India to get onto the board in case of run rate. So our run rate will be very good if we win convincingly against the Netherlands. Many Indian cricket fans don't know the Netherlands cricket team, so I'm going to tell a lot about the Netherlands player as well. First of all, we will do a preview of the Netherlands team. Then we will come to the Indian team. So Vikramjit Singh and Mohammad Dawood are the openers for the Netherlands teams. They have shown quite a bit of character in the qualifiers as well, and especially Vikramjit Singh is a magnificent batsman. Unfortunately, hasn't been able to get a good score, but this is a game that he will be looking to make a mark. De Leeds is an experienced campaigner who will come in at number 3. Colin Ackerman has been around for Netherlands cricket for a long time. So has been Tom Cooper. If you remember, in 2009-10 season till 2015-16, when actually on Star Sports was not the channel, they didn't rebrand. They rebranded the channel in 2013. But till 2013, it was Star Cricket, and they used to show Australian Ryobi One Day Cup matches. Tom Cooper represented South Australia there for lot many years, so many fans would remember him. Edwards is a nice batsman as well, and the four fast bowlers Pringle, Ahmed Klassen, and Paul van Merken are quite a handful. They all have variations, and the plus point of the Netherlands bowling is that they bowl pace and they ball at the back of length, although I would prefer the length to be a bit fuller. But yes, they are quite a handful, and it will be foolish and stupid for Team India to underestimate them. But yesterday I was listening to Coach Paras Mamre. He was talking to one of the broadcasters that no rest will be given to any of the players, particularly Hardik Pandya. There were many reports that he was a bit injured after the last game, but he will play, and they will not underestimate any opposition. Bowling coach Paras Mamre has also said that they respect the Netherlands very much, so they are treating each and every opponent with equal respect. So that's a good sign to start off with for Team India. So now we will come to the batting analysis of Team India. Actually, the KL Rahul's form is a bit of concern. As I said in my preview versus Pakistan, that he looked in good touch, but once again his mode of dismissal was similar that of his dismissal in the Asia Cup of Naseem Shah, so he will be bitterly disappointed. And as soon as he chopped the ball back onto the off stump, I saw the disappointment and sadness on his face. He was very slow in taking the walk back to the pavilion, so he will be determined to prove his critics wrong in the South African game. But this game also provides him an opportunity to great into great touch. Same is the case with Rohit Sharma. He actually looked all at sea versus Pakistan. So this will be a good opportunity for the openers, because we cannot, as I mentioned a few moments ago, cannot take the Netherlands fast bowlers lightly. They are also a quality attack. So it will be essential for us to get a good start and set the tone at the top order itself. After that, Virat Kohli and Surya Kumar Yadav is going to come in the middle order. So Sky will also be looking to redeem himself. Kohli's confidence, no doubt, is at an all-time high after his greatest innings. Yeah, there will be a conundrum between Dinesh Karthik and Rishabh Pant, but I would prefer Dinesh Karthik only. Unfortunately, he got out in the second last ball of versus Mohammad Nawaz in the first game against Pakistan, but that is a very small sample size. And yes, it will be interesting to see if Team India goes with Ravichandran Ashwin or they will go in with a leg spinning option in Yuzvendra Chahal. Now, many former cricketers are backing Chahal to come into the lineup. In place of Akshar Patel, I guess, or Ravichandran Ashwin, that remains to be seen. But I am of the opinion that once you have set the team for the first match, there shouldn't be much changes. So, in according to me, Chahal shouldn't come in, not because of he's not a quality bowler, he is a proven bowler, but just for the sake of continuity. But if the team management has a different opinion, so be it. Indian fast bowlers also impressed very nicely against Thamaji, Netherlands, and against Pakistan. As Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Arshdeep Singh, and Bhuvneshwar Kumar bowled tremendously well, got prodigious swing from both ways, so they will be looking to continue their good form. As well as Hardik Pandya, his fitness will be keenly monitored. The game is going to take place at the Sydney Cricket Ground, so expect a lot of help for the spinners as well. Yes, so this game provides us an opportunity to increase our run rate with all due respect to the Netherlands, but we will be looking to get on board and get into our element quickly, especially the batters, to set the tone at the start. So, Team India are the firm favorites, and it will be interesting to see how this game pans out. So how did you like my analysis of this game, the preview? Please tell in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. We'll meet in the next video. Till then everyone, bye, and humbly requesting each and every one of you, please subscribe.